Rose, tribute to Jason Booker T. Rose by Sesn C. Harrison. When we ask a family, and really that we mean, for Jason Booker T. Rose was one who ever upon the scene. I want to take on upon a ride down to memory lane. We tell you about this man notoriety and fame, reflecting upon the years before that man migrate. We deal with him, Mama Tiny really did have faith. Lord, him never easy. Him could have give that lady trouble, but him love her bad for when she want him did it upon the double. I remember when Mama Tiny used to sell her early at school. Him always carry the igloo where the sock and bag do school. She never ramp for lick him ass with wooden spoon and frying pan. For when she see it no make no sense, she no bother use her hand. If we take a little extract from Mama Tiny farewell, one of the sweetest joke about him, I in that poem it tell. How Booker and Greg when them a little boy try to take Mr. Burton minibus one day and necktie. Them decide to send themselves on a little trip and have the pigeon bus go clear a Duck Hens field to flip. When they reach back home on the bus bumper to re, Marty and Patwa no have time to hear nobody plea. As me say, that night bus me cock talk on them hide. He tried juke them out with the broomstick from under the bed while Mama T was waiting on the side. Him and Miss May was a treat, me tell you more than all. The way fatiguing great granny would have make you laugh until you bawl. When him try to take Miss May, turn a piece of papi show, she ball anything she see and say, I will chop you, you know. Me don't know how that boy find the energy to do certain little things. The only something him couldn't make was a plane with wings. I recall him build some skate, boat truck and cat. When we send them the contraption, it was more than comedy to fart. Sometimes the car turn over when we run it red pan road. And when it crashed in Textone, nail back the pieces board. And when him and Greg are run tired with two sticks in them hand, you wonder where them boy the strength really come from. Him used to make some baby kite big like out a door. When him send it to the skies, he'll fly high evermore. When Christmas time, remember, and my Tiny take out them ties, me, Greg, and Booker was the happiest little boys. And Violet used to make sure them have them water gun. And all manner of other playthings when she and the barrel come down. We did underestimate just about all we make him take. For summer we learned late that from him young him was romantic. A two girl me know from foreign. Through the years come spend some time. And Booker decided to himself, said, them two girls is mine. So the one down on Mr. Burke in program first for sure. And dep on her case night and day till she couldn't take no more. Him come home with a lame foot and we start to mount the youth. We make up stories say Mr. Burke take big stone and clap the brute. And from that we call him Berkey. It was one hell of a laugh. But Jason did tough like rock. He never even cough. The next girl will come, and Miss Jem him have to get her too. So him thief one of Marty Coolins make present. What the hell do you? Him carefully wrap up the sock in a one book leaf and hand her through the window. Big gal is beyond belief. But I guess the poor little thing never used to them their food. So she shove it back to him. But that not stop the dude. Now one thing not to miss is how him get that name. Booker was a black dog them have. Bad is a shame. Mama Tiny was the one to give him that moniker. And then boy decides that Jason too have to get that one here. But him did have one enemy. A scheme one boy called Miguel. And him give one dog in the yard him name, one liquor brown mongrel. So anytime you hear people call him great Booker T, just know say all in all, that's the backstory. One time when we liquor, Booker decided to play a trick. So him go in a matter in the closet and dress up like a chick. For him said to himself, to get some money have to make. There him was in a hat, boot, frock, button up to the neck. One young man did a pass and him change up all him vice. Beg the man the money, and the way him look so nice, the man granted him wish and pop off a paper dollar. And what happened next? Why make the whole out no holler? For a breeze start to blow and whoop the hat fly away. When the victim see the man head, Booker draws some gear left there. Good God, it was something else. The risk them him could have run. For it seems him shenanigans never have no done for done. I remember one day him see one young girl on the scheme. A passway, she and mousy. But you wouldn't dream where Booker give out same time. She a come from woodwork. Me no know how Booker pan the picnic dig up them the dirt. It takes some time for me pick up. As a innocent little lad, see a sexy man talk about. This striking boy did bad. And when him come America, that man became a star. Love a bike, you see. You could have tell him from far. One hand a Rockaway Parkway to the Hadaha Wheelie. What a treat. When hard pick the ball out, Uncle Booker, and line out on the street. A neighborhood favorite, me tell you, ever argue joke. And Lord, how that man for them kids and grandkids do it. Free haircut for nephew, niece and friend. Always a run. A go a little further. For an Odessa him legend done. Kind and selfless was this man. Just make him learn your need. And dare him come to shining like a knight upon him steed. Him was a deep thinker and reason good about life and living. Full of ideas and knowledge, business-minded too and driven. Family get-togethers was a special time for him. Loving Mother Violet dearly. For trouble her was a sin. Me know your heart a break if you lose your good son. But keep the faith, dear Violet, when all is said and done. There is a getting up morning when every tear will dry. And we going to learn the reason why we did really have to cry. Don't touch him one sister, to him Diane was queen. Thanksgiving gatherings and such, Booker always a check-in. Remember when he was young, Diane used to mash him down. One day they were fighting at the house, and I run till Diane rallied back on him and locked 22 back door and greet him with a frying pan in his forehead, taunting him for sure. Cat was Booker teacher, and him love him little brother, protect him beloved sibling from every kind of weather. Only God knows, Lorenzo, when your heart going mend. But hold your head up and smile. Making memories be your friend. And everybody have them memories with them holding at them heart. None of we did dream one day soon we would part. Jason, you left a void where no one else can fill. A 7-star general will call you for the name in the earth you build. Just like Booker T. Washington, you change your world for the good. And show us all this borrowed life, to live it how we should. And though our hearts are break right now, the memories we will keep. You live a full life, brother, father, uncle, son, cousin, and friend. Rest you now and sleep. The reasons and rhymes at this time, only Jah knows. But one thing we know for sure, sweet Jason, you was a rose. Jason Booker T. Rose. Rest in power. Rest in eternal peace. God bless.